That before one was good. Everything.
Now why don't you?
Okay, so here this heart, so why I am making here above this lungs, because just to explain you, otherwise the heart in between the lungs only. So the oxygen, first I am telling you that oxygenated blood goes to the body. Here the body utilizes it, and deoxygenated blood through the vena cava, it goes into the heart. And from heart what happens, because heart cannot do anything with the deoxygenated blood, it has to the heart has to send the blood to the all body part. Which blood? Oxygenated blood. So that should be the oxygenated blood. So how the heart gets the oxygenated blood? Because oxygen is diffused in the lungs. So what it do? It send the blood to the
pulmonary artery
through the pulmonary artery to the lungs.
and in the
Two lungs, two pulmonary artery would be. I am making it here one only. So it comes in the lung, and here the blood get oxygenated. It gets the oxygen, and carbon dioxide diffused out in the lungs, and oxygen it gets from there. And then this oxygenated blood through the pulmonary vein
Now these pulmonary veins carry the
to the heart,
to the left ventricle in the heart.
to the not ventricle, auricle.
I'm sorry,
Then auricle to the ventricle, then ventricle to the aorta, and aorta to the different body part like this. Fine. So this is circulation. So now come back to here. As you know that the body gets the blood, and then it is utilized, and now this utilized blood has to go to heart, and then from heart to the lung for the oxygenation. Again it has to come back. 2 times blood has to go in the heart for the one circulation.
double circulation.
That's why it is called double circulation also. One time the deoxygenated blood goes into the heart, and then another time oxygenated blood comes back to the heart again, and then heart send the blood to the different body part. So the 2 times blood comes into the heart. So here that's why it is called double circulation also.
Now the first part is circulation.
Okay, so now here as I told you that the body part utilize the oxygenated blood, and it becomes the deoxygenated. So through the vena cava, so inferior and superior, it just comes into the right auricle. So in right auricle, and when you know the filling is going on in the heart, at that time that chamber is relaxed. So the chamber where the filling of the blood is going on, their relaxation occur. That part is in the mode of relaxation. So where the filling occur, like from the body part, the blood is coming into the auricle, and now the auricle start filling with the blood. So that filling time is the relaxation time. So when it fill it completely, then it contract, and it goes into the ventricle. Let me finish this. So it comes into the ventricle. So filling time is the relaxation time. Now here when it fills, it relax. When it fills completely, it contract and put the pressure on the valve, it open, and the blood comes into the ventricle. When the blood filling in this chamber, at that time this is also relaxed. Now when it fill completely, it contract, and here the semilunar valves open, and the blood goes into the from the heart, where it go? Deoxygenated blood from heart, where it go? Lungs. Through the pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery, this one.
They go to the lungs.
From there it goes to the lungs, and then
So from the through the pulmonary artery, it goes into the lung. There it is oxygenated. The oxygenated blood now come back to the heart through the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary.
Then they carry to the left auricle.
Where it comes? Left auricle. So here, when it fills, here also it is relaxation occur. When it fills completely, then it contract and it pushes the blood towards the ventricle. So left ventricle. Now here, which type of blood? Oxygenated blood. Here, deoxygenated blood. So oxygenated blood comes in the ventricle and through the aorta. Means through the bicuspid valve it comes into the. There's two type of valves are there in the right side. Tricuspid valve, tricuspid valve, and on the left side bicuspid. So here when the blood comes in the ventricle, it means when it will it contract and it put the pressure on the aorta. Through the aorta it goes into the body part. Aortic valves are there in the aorta. They open, they allow the blood flow through the aorta to the different body part. Here also in the pulmonary artery, semilunar valves are there. So this is all about the circulation, how from the body part through the vena cava it comes into the right side. One more point was left. I will tell you, it escaped. So it comes into the auricle, and then from auricle always, yes, the receiver chambers are the auricles always. Auricles are receive blood from from the body part and from the lungs. So receiver chambers are the auricle and the sender chambers are the ventricle. Are you getting it? So they receive auricles. That's why their wall are thinner than the ventricle, because ventricle has to put more pressure to means like push the blood to the different part. It's there.
On the other side of the
Auricle.
upper right.
So it generates the impulses and then only the heart can work.
The AV valve.
Yes, atrioventricular node, yes. So it comes to the auricle, where? To the left auricle. From left auricle it goes into the left ventricle. From left ventricle, sorry, right is going on. Right, and then from right to the pulmonary artery to the lungs, and from lungs to the left auricle, then left ventricle, then aorta to the body part. It's very easy, yes. So first from the body part, which vessels are carry the blood? Vena cava, that is KV, you can write vena cava, 2 plural. Then to the right auricle, then here tricuspid. Always remember on the right side more are there. Right side more are there. Tricuspid. 3 cusps are there. Tricuspid. On the left side 2 are there. So left side less are there. Right side more are there. So tricuspid on the right side and bicuspid on the left side. Remember this thing. Okay. So then ventricle, right auricle.
The deoxygenated blood from the pulmonary artery goes to the lungs
Through the lungs, right ventricle through the pulmonary artery. Then
through pulmonary
I have written pulmonary artery. Through the pulmonary artery, right ventricle, tricuspid valve.
From lungs, it goes to the left auricle.
Then it's through pulmonary artery to the lung. From lung to the through the pulmonary vein to the Left auricle. Left auricle.
And now the
By it goes to the left.
Then the
Left ventricle.
Left ventricle.
Now
Aortic valve.
aortic valve. Sorry.
Here. Where? Here the semilunar valves are there.
Yes, ma'am. There is a and now the aortic valve open and the oxygenated blood goes from the aorta to all the different organs
Aorta to the body part.
to the body parts. Yes, ma'am.
So you can, yes, that's why it is circulation. Aorta to the body part. That's why it is circulation. Cycle. She has made how nice notes. And you not note down even the class notes also. So have you understood?
Very nice.
Not understood? To you? Not understood? To you? I'm looking, my eyes are going two-sided. To you only I'm talking. It's like
Ma'am, it's 0.4 seconds. One cardiac cycle takes place for 0.8 seconds.
0.3 and 0.5 something like.
72 times cardiac.
0.3, 0.5, total 0.8.
It is 0.1. The
Not 0.1, 0.3 and 0.5. Total 0.8. One circulation, one.
now I studied that 0.1 seconds the atrial systole, then 0.3 seconds ventricle systole, and the joint diastole, relaxation of all the entire heart for 0.4 seconds.
I'll tell you this again. Fine.